Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to post Amazon affiliate links on your Instagram story. So let's get started. First, go to amazon.com and find the product you want to share on your story. For example, if this is the product you want to post, tap the share button and select the copy link option. If you have an Amazon affiliate account, this will generate your affiliate link. Next, tap on the product image to save it to your phone or take a screenshot. Once you have copied the link, open Instagram and tap your story at the top. Pick the photo of the product, then tap the stickers icon at the top. Choose the sticker that says link and paste your affiliate link there. You can even customize the sticker text to something like buy now and tap done. Tap on the sticker to change its appearance if you like. So that's it. Now you can post your story and the link will work as your affiliate link. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.